Hi guys, today I will introduce to you 8 consonant sounds. Let's start. The first one is mm, 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 name, name. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Money, money. I desire have a lot of money. I desire have a lot of money. I desire have a lot of money. Mix. How do you mix these items? 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 Mm, mm, can I can help you. I can help you. I can help you. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Near. My house is near a river. My house is near a river. My house is near a river. Wrong. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Bang. My friend works for a big bank. My friend works for a big bank. My friend works for a big bank. Sing. I love singing. I love singing. Hat. My hat is pink. My hat is pink. Here. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Hand. Hold my hand, please. Hold my hand, please. Call. I will call you. I miss you all the time. For I fall in love with you. Around. Go around and relax. Read. Reading books is a good hobby. Reading books is a good hobby. Run. Running makes us stronger. Wait. I will waiting for you. What? What's up? With. I wanna go out with you. The last one is yeah. Yes, sure. You like it. Your. I love your dress. That's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.